Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and bring you the latest news from space. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to have you join us today. We've got a fascinating story to share with you, straight from the International Space Station. NASA astronaut Chris Williams, along with his crewmates Sergei Kudz-Verchkov and Sergei Mikhaev, has arrived at the orbiting laboratory after a successful launch from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The Soyuz MS-28 spacecraft docked at the station's Raspet module, marking the beginning of a new era of scientific research and collaboration in space. But before we dive into the details of Chris Williams' mission, let's take a step back and learn more about this talented astronaut. With a background in physics and a passion for space exploration, Chris has been training for this moment for years. He's also a volunteer firefighter and has a unique perspective on the importance of teamwork and collaboration. As Chris settles into his new home on the International Space Station, he'll be conducting a wide range of scientific experiments and research projects. From testing new workout systems for long-duration missions to growing semiconductor crystals in space, Chris will be at the forefront of some of the most exciting and innovative research happening in space today. And it's not just about the science. Chris will also be playing a crucial role in helping to design new re-entry safety protocols to protect crews during future missions. It's a critical aspect of space exploration, and one that requires careful planning and attention to detail. As we celebrate the arrival of Chris Williams and his crewmates at the International Space Station, we're reminded of the incredible achievements that are possible when nations and space agencies work together towards a common goal. The station is a symbol of international cooperation and a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and time, we find ourselves at a fascinating intersection of astronomy and planetary defense. Today, we're going to talk about near-Earth asteroids, those ancient rocks that have been hurtling through our solar system for millions of years, sometimes coming perilously close to our home planet. You might be surprised to learn that astronomers have now discovered over 40,000 near-Earth asteroids, a staggering number that's a testament to the incredible progress we've made in detecting and tracking these objects. But what does this mean for us? Should we be concerned about the potential risks posed by these asteroids? Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The discovery of near-Earth asteroids is not just about identifying potential threats, it's also about understanding the history of our solar system. By studying these asteroids, scientists can gain insights into the formation and evolution of our cosmic neighborhood. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the risks? What if one of these asteroids were to collide with Earth? Well, the good news is that astronomers are working tirelessly to identify and track these objects using sophisticated software and telescopes to predict their orbits and potential impact zones. In fact, the European Space Agency's Planetary Defense Team is actively developing asteroid mitigation capabilities, including missions like Hera, which will study the aftermath of an asteroid impact, and Ramses, which will explore the 375-meter asteroid Apophis as it makes a close flyby of Earth in 2029. These efforts are crucial in helping us prepare for any potential asteroid threats. By detecting and tracking near-Earth asteroids, we can reduce the risk of a surprise impact and develop strategies to deflect or disrupt an asteroid's trajectory if necessary. As we continue to explore and understand our solar system, it's essential to remember that the discovery of near-Earth asteroids is not just about identifying potential dangers. It's also about expanding our knowledge of the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. So, let's keep looking up at the stars, my friends, and stay curious about the wonders of the universe. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of the universe, we find ourselves pondering one of the most fascinating mysteries of our time, dark matter. This elusive entity makes up approximately 27% of our universe, yet it remains invisible to our eyes. But what if I told you that scientists are getting closer to unraveling its secrets. Imagine being a detective, trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That's essentially what physicists are doing when they study dark matter. They know what's out there, shaping the behavior of galaxies and galaxy clusters, but they can't see it directly. So, how do they go about studying something that's invisible? The answer lies in creativity and innovative thinking. One approach is to use mathematical tools like quantum field theory, or QFT, which combines special relativity and quantum mechanics. Think of it like a strawberry field, where the potential for strawberries to grow exists everywhere, but only manifests in certain areas with the right conditions. Similarly, QFT helps us understand how particles come into existence. But here's the challenge. How do you write equations to describe something whose properties are mostly unknown? That's where effective field theories, or EFTs, come in. These are like adaptable frameworks that can be fine-tuned based on observations. They're particularly useful for direct detection experiments, which aim to observe interactions between dark matter and visible matter. Recently, a team of researchers proposed an EFT that can better account for dark matter scattering off electrons. This is a significant development, as it could help us gain a deeper understanding of dark matter's properties. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of patience in scientific research. As we continue to explore the mysteries of dark matter, we're reminded that science is a journey, not a destination. It requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. So, let's keep looking up at the stars, shall we? Let's keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and exploring the unknown. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.